Here's Jody. She has a busy workday ahead of her.
Time to get some work done. Man, my laptop's not charged. All right, let's work off the phone. It's almost dead. What am I gonna do now?
Oh no!
Don't be like Jody. Grab a VTOMAN so you're never without power.
Thanks, this is exactly what I needed.
But that's mine.
Too bad. All right, I have got a lot of work to get done and very little juice left on my laptop or my phone. Let's get this plugged in. Get her turned on. I'm on the AC, so let's make sure I get that going. Oh, perfect. I'm charging. All right, let's get my phone plugged in so it doesn't die. Whew, charging there too. All right, thanks VTOMAN. You're keeping me in the game.
Don't go anywhere because at the end of this video, we have important announcements about giveaways.
Giveaways, you say?
I mean, thanks to VTOMAN, we got swag.
We have swag.
Welcome back, Wanderers. We have a new sponsor today.
VTOMAN.
VTOMAN, and they make the VTOMAN Jump 100 battery, which is very cool. We're going to be talking about it today, and we've got some really cool giveaways. First, let's talk about this thing. Is this pretty lightweight for you?
It is. It's just a little over 2 pounds. Very easy to carry. It would be really easy to throw in a backpack.
Yes.
As you are either hiking or out filming, for those of you who are content creators like we are.
88 watt hours.
88 watt hours?
Yeah, not kidding.
That is a lot. Also, I don't know if you can see here. I'll get closer. We have lots of different options.
We've got 110, we've got USB-C, we've got USB, and there's 3 buttons on here. One for power, one for AC, which is when you use this bad boy, and one for a flashlight, which is right there.
So this can charge phones, it can charge laptops, drones, microphones. Obviously, it can be a flashlight as well.
Yes.
So this is a great little companion to have with you, either camping, hiking, RVing, even just out, about shooting content wherever you might be, or editing.
And VTOMAN claims that it's rated for 3,000 charge cycles.
So you're out, you're about, you're charging, you're doing your thing. Your VTOMAN needs a little extra power. Look what we have here. We have solar panels.
Dude, you will never run out of power as long as the sun is still shining in the sky.
So you can charge your VTOMAN off the solar.
Yep.
And then charge off of that. This is great. You just stick these out, hang them off the side of the RV. Even saw someone, they have little carabiners. You could hang this off your backpack as you are hiking or biking even.
Yeah.
It's super light.
How does it plug in though?
We have just a little charger, little charge cable between the solar panels and the jump box itself. Right here, it goes through a USB-C.
Okay.
Right on the front here. We go there, go to this right here. Got connectors.
There it is. Oh, USB or USB-C. Okay.
Yep. And we can charge.
Wow. So when we're out camping, we'll stick that on the table and you can just do your laptop, do your editing, play music, watch TV.
You can be down by the lake.
Yeah.
I mean, this is so versatile.
You could be in a van down by the river.
We have often been in a van down by the river.
We have, actually.
So super excited to give this a try. Power, everyone's always looking for power. We all have a million different devices that we want to be charging or using at any given time. So even if you have power in your RV or maybe in your car, you don't always have as many ports as you want. Right? I'm trying to run my laptop, charge my phone at the same time.
Especially with 2 people.
Batteries for microphones and drones, all the things.
Can you imagine a family of 5 or 6?
Right. I mean, if you have just an average family, you got a couple teenagers, even little kids with iPads and tablets, there's always something that needs to be charged. Also, power outages, right? Inside your house. We live in the Monterey Bay area. And I have to say, in the winter, we get a lot of storms. We lose power pretty frequently.
Yeah, we do.
PG&E need to step up your game. Different discussion. Having something like this where you can plug in a lantern or something, keep the house lit until the power comes back on, super, super helpful.
Or just take this to the bathroom with you because it's got a little flashlight. Because you don't realize how dark a house gets until you have no power and you're trying to go to the bathroom.
Right. You're not getting ambient light from anything.
No.
So very excited to be partnering with VTOMAN and to kick off this partnership. Not only have they sent us the Jump 100, the solar panels,
We have swag to give away.
we have giveaways.
Comment, like, and subscribe, and 5 of you lucky winners will get one of these. Ooh. What is that?
It is a VTOMAN sweatshirt. Super nice.
I like it.
Really soft on the inside.
Jody wanted one, but we only have 5 to give away, so.
So,
Are you going to comment, like, and subscribe?
I might have to because I really want a sweatshirt.
Okay, well, I mean, you know, maybe you'll get picked on the wheel.
The Wheel of Fortune?
What else do we have? Because for one lucky winner, you're going to get a bunch more. Check this out.
The grand prize winner is going to get the VTOMAN swag box.
It kind of reminds me of an old school fishing tackle box.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. But this would be a great box actually to keep your Jump 100 and your solar panels in.
Oh, that's true.
So you have it all together when you need it.
Yeah.
Grab the box and go.
Yes. So what does it come with?
But it comes with great little chill or hot cup, right? So your favorite campfire beverage, maybe some water, maybe some wine, maybe some hot chocolate. Very cute. What else do we have? It is a really cool neck pillow for when you travel.
What?
We've all done this, right? You're on the airplane and it is miserable because your head just keeps like bobbling around. Right? All you want to do is get a little snooze.
Wow.
This is like traveler's delight.
Yeah, it is.
So that is super nice.
I can't tell you how many times I have forgot this when I go to get on a plane. You put it in your house and you forget it, so then you have to buy a new one at the airport. And I think
But it's always a better deal to buy 2. So then you buy 2 and it just multiplies like bunny rabbits.
Yeah, I know.
We have a cool keychain. Who doesn't love a keychain? And last but certainly not least is a
Holy cow.
really cool backpack. So this is like
Wow.
legit.
That's like super hiker's
hiking
backpack. You know what?
backpack.
I might keep that.
And the best part, we have lots of little straps you can hang things off of. And what is the one thing that you must hang off of here?
Your solar panel.
Exactly.
That's why it's so long.
Yes. So as you're hiking, you can easily have your Jump 100 in this pocket, solar panel hanging here, be charging devices in the backpack as you go. You guys are going to love this.
And we're going to cut this whole segment out because I'm keeping that. So, like we said, 5 people are winning sweatshirts, and one of those 5 people
Also gets the extra.
you're going to win the whole thing. You'll be sitting back on your porch, drinking out of this, putting your backpack on and going hiking. What was the other thing? Oh, the neck pillow in my hand.
And the box.
And the box. So, good luck. Like, subscribe, and comment. You could win.
And thank you to VTOMAN for sponsoring this video and partnering with us. We are super excited to start this partnership.
And we'll probably have more cool VTOMAN things in the future, and possibly more cool swag to give away. I can't get this thing back in. Once it's out, it's out.